In this video, I will show you simple settings that can protect your camera privacy and stop unwanted camera access in just a few minutes. Let's secure your phone step by step. Step 1. Check your camera app permissions. First, open your phone settings. Scroll down and tap apps. Now, search for camera and open your camera app info. Now, tap permissions. Most people check this page and leave, but there is another hidden option. Tap the three dots in the top right corner. Then select all permissions. Here you can see everything your camera app can access. Review these permissions carefully. If you see anything unnecessary, remove it. Step 2. Stop apps from changing your phone settings. Now go back to the camera app information page. Scroll down and look for Change System Settings. Tap on it. If this option is turned on to allow permission, switch it off. Your camera will still work normally. But it adds an extra layer of protection and prevents unwanted changes. Step 3. Stop your camera running in the background. Now let's block unnecessary background activity. Go back to Settings, tap Apps, search for camera again. Open it and select Battery. Choose Restricted. This stops your camera app from running unnecessary in the background. It can also help save battery life. Step 4. Find apps that have camera access. Now this is the step many people forget. Apps like social media, video calling, and messaging apps may request camera access. To check them, open Settings, go to Security and Privacy, tap More Privacy Settings, open Permission Manager. Select Camera. Now you will see every app that can access your camera. Look through the list. If an app does not need camera access, remove the permission. Step 5. Make apps ask before using your camera. For apps you don't fully trust, change the permission to ask every time. Now, whenever an app tries to open your camera, your phone will stop and ask for your permission first. No more hidden camera access. And that's it. Your camera should only work when you allow it. Your phone belongs to you, so you should control who gets access. If you found this useful, hit the like button, subscribe for more Android privacy tips, and comment below which camera permission surprised you the most.